Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. And today we are going to discuss about Nifty with Bank Nifty. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty. So what we discussed from the past 15-20 days, right? It's around 19th October and it's almost 1 month. From here we are talking about that my bias is this is the end of the trend, means I'm looking for that fifth wave. It has to reach the 19,500, but later onwards if it breaks this one, it's already broken that previous, and I informed that, so there is a chances for making that 17,350 range. After that, once it broken, and on that Thursday I thought only these three-way structures maybe can occur again the 18,000 range or 17,900, and then again it may fail. But what happened here, it's a little bit only the 23.6 for the B wave. So this is a W, this is the X wave, this is the A wave, and B and C is already dead. So it seems like this is the one incomplete structure so far. So whether this is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already got completed. 1 second, I will come into zoom in the 15 minutes. So from here, it looks like a three-way structure. So whether this is the end of the trend, 1, B, and C. So this is the end of the trend, or one more, this is the end of the trend of B wave. So one more, 1, 2, 3, and we are in that fourth, means maybe one more down to took all the stop loss here, and it could bounce. So far what I expected, from here it will reach definitely for that 17,300 and 350 to 400 range, and it is already dead almost there. Now it already bounced the 100 points from the low, nearly 170 points, I think so, from the low. Yes, 170 points it bounced. So whether this is the end of the trend, means it seems like that, because what we already did, that same analysis, it's accepted and it came down, and here also it is exactly the same length of this ABC. This is the connecting wave, one more ABC. So the one whole completed structure is got completed in the correction part. And one thing I need to show you here, every time there is a lot of bullish scenario, and this is the bullish price action. Later onwards, from this high, note this, from this high to this low, it's nearly 1,500 points from here, right? So it's around 15,433, and this is 14,000. So nearly 1,400 points is came down, and the same thing happened here also. 18,600 approximately, it's 17,300. So the 1,300 points, it's already did here 1,400 points, and this is the 1,300 points, the correction. It's a bigger correction. This is a complex correction, and it took nearly 2 months here, from the February 16th February, and here is the 21st April. So it took nearly 2 months, but here it's only 1 month. And because I already informed that here it's a very already took nearly that from here it's a June, and here also it's a July. So this 1 month, and here also is the 1 month, but this is a very very shallow correction, and this is the deeper correction. So now it's everything as per the technical. As per the technical, it reached my target, and it is in the long term trend line, and it took as a support and bounced now. So what is the next scenario, means maybe one more low and there will be a spike, as per I informed that in the previous. Otherwise this is the low, and I'm expecting only the fifth wave to the target of 19,500. That later we will see. But now here there is a end of the correction for the fourth. Or if it is any fundamental news, it caused a little bit overlapping and it is not looking like a three-way structure, means then that will be a bigger correction can happen like a triangle what I said here. That same pattern, so 1 through 3 is already did, so ABC and then the formation of WXY, and this is looking like a double zigzag. So I'm expecting only my scenario and my bias is only the bullish, but from here it has to bounce. But again, if it is maybe in this week, if it is close below this, means that will be too dangerous for that, and I need to look all the counts to change. But my bias is the same thing as I informed from here also. My bias is not here and it will bounce here. It's looking like a leading diagonal, but that could change as a WXYZ, and I already informed that the price action is the most important, not the wave count. The structure is needed. So this wavelength is equal to this wavelength, and the major that trend line support, it's everything, it is correlated, and I'm expecting only the bullish scenario. If apart from it, it's going against my analysis, I need to watch, then only I can inform that I no need to put you in the wrong thing to do that. So let's move on to the next. Is the same Nifty, also same thing, and it's already reached the previous fourth wave. As I informed that it's a perfect, here I informed that one more support zone here, and it is already a little bit sustained and immediately it came down and now it bounced. So in the previous fourth wave, it's everything, it's if you look into the Elliott wave theory, the previous fourth wave, and it took, and the major resistant, sorry, that trend line, it's coming and it is also nearest to that, and it is already bouncing. So let's hope, I'm expecting only this thing. See, in this Nifty, in SGX Nifty, it is entirely different pattern, right? Here it is ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C. So this is, here it is a flat correction, but in that SGX Nifty, it is looking like a WXYZ pattern. It's a WXABC, it's a Y pattern. So it is looking like a double zigzag. So that is why all the pattern, it is clearly showing. So now this equivalent, it's already happened here, and it is the previous support zone. So I'm expecting only the bullish scenario from here, or either if it is a complex correction also, it can take a triangle kind of thing, and then it can move for the 19,500 zone of my target has to reach. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty, and I already informed that, one second, the target reached, and this is my previous analysis on that October 16th. I already informed that, and I already uploaded that. You just go through this, and from that 5 hours 10 minutes, you just go through, and I will give the link below this video. And I already informed that whether this is a chances for making a 36,000 range. This is the Bank Nifty, and I'll just scrolling this. This is the Bank Nifty weekly chart. So from here, I inform that, one second, yeah. And this is the end of the trend. And I'm looking for this kind of pattern. So there is 34, but I expected the same length, but that is not that much important. But I expected from three-way structure to the 36,000. I already did that. I will show you that. Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty I expected, and my thumbnail also the same thing. You just go through this on October 16th, 2021. I already did that. So next I will show you that here, the Bank Nifty. Yeah, it's looking like a bullish pin bar, right? So now what is my analysis? This is the one, it's a perfect trend line, and now here it took that as a resistance, and later onwards it got bounced. So again I expected this one. From here it can did like this, but it already got a one simple correction here and it came down. So whether how it is moving to, this is, if I kept this as a 1, this is a 2, and this is the intermediate mains. Here I need to inform this as a weekly chart. I will show you that weekly chart. Hide all those things. So I kept this as a, this as the B. So C way could be the ending diagonal also. So then that could be a B, C as a, the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2, A, B, C is a 3, and we are in the A, B, C as a 4. So now I need one A, B, C to the 5, and I'm expecting such a kind of wedge pattern. And from here, this is the second, third, fourth, and one three-way structures to complete this pattern also. And I need to check with this correlation to the Nifty also. And again I need to change this, whether this is the A, this is the B, means the C could be the ending diagonal formation. So either this is A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C is a 2, A, B, C is a 3. So now how I am looking this here is from here A, B and C to that 43,000. After that, let's correlate to that Nifty, and then I will inform there. So far I'm expecting only to break this one. Whether we have to watch this, what kind of price action it is doing. In fact, it is going very very bullish, means this could be the 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will continue like that also. So we have to watch this and not come to the conclusion here whether it is making a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that kind of wedge formation or ending diagonal like that, or it is that only that second wave in the intermediate third, and the third wave can shoot from here also. That we will wait and see. So hope you enjoyed this week, and the start of the week is already, it's a down nearly 350 to 400 points down, and then it bounced nearly 150 points, and it looks like a bullish for me as per the technical terms. So wait for that to trigger. That's it. And my target is same 19,500, and in the bank Nifty it is 45,000, sorry, 43,650 zone. So this is my analysis from this, and we will see you the same time for the tomorrow for the pre-market predictions with one stock, not the bank Nifty. So I need to recall this bank Nifty, and while I'm starting with the Nifty and bank Nifty, that is why I just again to updated my bank Nifty also. So let's see tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.